when you first open Virtual Manipulatives, you select this orange button so that you can select the right settings for your video. This is the settings, and in the settings you want to choose whether you want tiles or circles, if you want your color to be opaque or transparent, snap to grid on or off. Sometimes it's helpful to have it on, sometimes it's helpful to have it off, and whether you want the fraction numbers to show on the pieces. So those are the decisions you need to make when you first get started. I chose to use the fraction tile, so when I pull out my fraction tab, these are the tiles that I can use to explore with fractions. In this lesson, I want to find the fractions that are equivalent to 1/2. So I pulled a 1/2 tile from the tool set into my workspace. I pulled 2 of the 4ths from the workspace and laid them directly under the 1/2, and they fit exactly. So now I know that 1/2 and 2/4 are equivalent. With the pencil tool, I used it to write the fraction 2/4 to show that that is one of the equivalent fractions I found equal to 1/2. Next, I tried the 5ths, but I found that the 5ths did not fit exactly, and so there is not an equivalent fraction for 1/2 using 5ths. I was able to find that 3/6 are equivalent to 1/2 because the 6ths line up perfectly. So again, I used the pencil tool to write 3/6. I continued in this manner, finding other fractional pieces that would equal 1/2, and I explored, and when I found out that the 5ths and the 3rds did not have a way to make 1/2, but the other numbers, the denominators that were even, all were able to make an equivalent fraction to 1/2. So then I could think about what would be the next fractional piece that would be equivalent to 1/2. 13ths wouldn't work because they're odd, but 14ths would work because that is an even number. And then I could predict how many 14ths it would take to make 1/2. So that can start to generate this idea of what does it take to decide if a fraction is equivalent to 1/2.